How to delete Fifth Third Bank app from phone. On Android phones, start by locating the app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tap and hold the app icon until a menu or options appear. Then, select the uninstall option. A confirmation message may pop up. Just confirm that you want to uninstall the app. This will completely remove the app and its data from your device. For iPhone users, find the Fifth Third Bank app on your home screen. Tap and hold the app icon until all the icons start to wiggle. You will see a small X or minus sign appear on the top corner of the app icon. Tap this symbol and then confirm by selecting Delete App. This action removes the app and frees up space on your device. After you uninstall, the app will be removed from your device, freeing up storage space and stopping any app notifications. If you want to reinstall the app later, you can always download it again from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. And that's it. Now you know how to delete the Fifth Third Bank app from your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.